Oh hey, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so nothing? Okay, well fuck you then. Alright. Hey guys, Chris here from Ellis Fabrication. On today's video, what we're going to be doing is installing our hood braces for the 73 to 80 trucks. A lot of you may know that on these hoods, they fold in half. So let's fix that and let's get started. The first step is fairly straightforward. You're going to butt up the hood brace. This tab here goes right against the hood hinge, like so. You'll see that the hood brace fits the contour of the hood real nice, so we're good. So we supply the self-tapping screws. Go ahead and put them in the pre-drilled holes and screw to the hood. Now just repeat the same step on this side and your install's done. It's nice and flat. Alright, well thanks for watching our video. These can be found on the website for under 50 bucks. It also comes with a sticker, so get online and buy yourself some. Let's go have some fun.